Hi, want to get more done with ChatGPT? I'll show you some cool productivity hacks you probably didn't know. First, use ChatGPT to write emails or reports fast. Just ask it to draft or rewrite with any tone you want, formal or casual. Next, if you're studying, ChatGPT can explain tricky topics in simple words. It can even help make study guides or flashcards. If you code or want to learn, ask ChatGPT to write or debug code for you. It's like having a coding buddy anytime. Need creative ideas? ChatGPT can brainstorm blog topics, social media captions, or video scripts. You can also plan your week, meals, or trips by asking ChatGPT to create lists or itineraries. Here's a tip. Be specific in your questions to get the best answers. Adding details or asking for bullet points helps a lot. Try these hacks today and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.